Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Metra f40ph m211 Productions. I will not be rail fanning from today until March 7th, until April 7th, due to this coronavirus pandemic. So if you're watching this, I won't be rail fanning until April 7th, due to this COVID-19 virus. And thank you for so much understanding, but I will be not rail fanning on April 7th. So if you comment why I'm not rail fanning, just watch this video and you will find out. Thank you. And besides, this is Metra f40ph m211 Productions, and I will make a train honk the horn for the end of this video if one ever shows up. And when I come back on April 7th, I will do a shave and a haircut. Thanks for watching, and thank you all my subscribers. Peace out.